On the front of the trailer, you have two propane tanks that will need to be filled. You are able to use the middle part to switch between which tank is being used. On the back of the trailer, you have two compartments. The compartment on the right has your dump valve and sight gauge. When your waste tank is 50% full, it becomes visible in the sight gauge. On the left compartment, you will have your 6 stabilizing jacks for the trailer. Both the compartment and the main door keys are located within the binder of the mechanical room. There are two doors leading to two separate mechanical rooms. In room 1, you'll find your water pump as well as your fresh water tank. You will need to make sure that your water pump is plugged in. When using the fresh water tank, make sure your valve is on, allowing water to flow into the Scala 2 water pump. If you're not going to use the fresh water tank, turn the valve off, allowing you to use the spigot on the outside to power the trailer and or fill up the fresh water tank. From the spigot, it will go up this tube into the water tank to fill it. Please empty the fresh water tank before any travel. To empty, simply turn this valve and allow the tank to drain fully. The trailer requires a 50 amp plug. This is referred to as a 50 amp twist lock. Taking a look into the main mechanical room, we have a breaker box on the left with the door codes attached to it. To the right within the basket, you'll find your binder. This will have all of your keys, manuals, and warranties within the binder. In the brown box above is your converter, which will allow you to power your lights and fans using a regular extension cord. This is not designed to run the entire trailer, just your fans and your lights. Here is your hot water tank, which is powered by the propane. Please plug this into the Navion outlet. All of your main electrical is found in the electric box, but below that you have your 12-volt system, which powers everything labeled from your fans to lights to your thermostats. All of your plumbing is clearly labeled. A sheet within the binder will tell you what each number corresponds to. Overall, you will want all of the plumbing turned on with the exception of the antifreeze only valve off. We have left the codes for the doors above the handle. However, you may use the manual in the binder located in the mechanical room to change the codes. Each bunk room has 4 bunks. You will need to set up the ladders for each of the bunks. You have 2 thermostats within the trailer, one here and one at the far end of the trailer. In each bunk, you have LED lights, which can be controlled from the mechanical room, or manually by using the switches at the end of each light. Each room has exhaust fans and GFI outlets. There are 2 GFI outlets for each bunk, along with USB ports. Within this bunk room, there is a window on the door that slides open for easy ventilation. Each and every room has pocket doors that slide out easily. There are smoke detectors and fire extinguishers in each and every room. As far as air conditioning, each room has the ability to open and close their vents. Taking a look at the shower rooms, they also include sinks, toilets, and GFIs alongside your paper towels, soap dispenser, mirrors, and toilet paper dispensers. You also have a hook for your 32 by 32 shower. The floor drains are in each room for easy cleaning. All the seams within the room have been sealed. If the room gets wet, simply squeegee the water into the drain. These floor drains will drain into the waste tank. Looking at the trailer, you have your one bunk room, then you have your two shower restroom combos. Moving to the second half of the trailer, you have another door entrance. Past this, you have 12 beds divided evenly throughout 3 more rooms. Each room is equipped with a pocket door and all of the features listed earlier. As mentioned earlier, the thermostat for this side of the air conditioning is found right here.